And a lot of that came late in the game when they needed it most. What did you make of their impact down in the trenches?
Well, I think, first of all, you got to look at the stops that they were able to get against this Memphis team, because Memphis had made a conscious effort tonight of trying to live in the paint and go to the basket. I think LeBron and AD did an excellent job. And what people lost sight of, LeBron was guarding Jaren Jackson Jr. a lot in that second half. So he had to rebound, because Jaren Jackson Jr. goes to the offensive glass hard. LeBron, I think he expended a lot of energy tonight. That's why I think, you know, you and I were sitting here imploring him to go to the basket more.